Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica has secured its second catastrophe bond with assistance from the World Bank. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the facility will provide more than $100 million in coverage in the event of damage from named storm events.
The catastrophe bond is a risk transfer instrument that allows Jamaica to transfer the fiscal risk of a direct hit by a hurricane to international capital market. International investors put up the principal amount of the bond in the amount of $150 million or just under 24.
And we apologize for that abrupt end to the bite. Now, Jamaica will benefit from this coverage for the hurricane seasons up to 2027. The facility will trade on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Now, in 2021, Jamaica became the first developing country in the world to independently sponsor a catastrophe bond. To some news from the finance sector now, National Commercial Bank NCB Financial Group is looking to raise about $5.1 billion via an additional public offer APO. The company published the prospectus yesterday disclosing that the offer will open on May 6 and should run until May 27. 78.5 million new ordinary shares will be on offer, with the option to upsize to 117.8 million shares. The general pool of shares will be sold at 65 Jamaican dollars each. 785,000 shares are being reserved. Now, for the employee reserve pool, those shares will cost $58.50. Investors must purchase a minimum 100 shares and increments of 10 thereafter. The NCB Financial Group says it expects to receive net proceeds from the APO of about $5.030 billion after the sum to pay transaction costs is taken into account. The group says it plans to use the funds raised to support a part of its plan to reallocate capital to reduce debt and bolster the company's cash flow. The Jamaican dollar lost 15 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading today. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.21. The Canadian is going for $116.20. $197.31 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $171.24. And the JSE index lost 152 points today, while the junior market index gained 21 points. Among the 47 winners were Stanley Motor, KLE Group, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Lumber Depot, and Pulse Investments. The 35 losers were led by JMMB Group 7% shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, QWI Investments, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. 33 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading this morning. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news, they're right after the break.